Hi everyone. Let's just wait for a few more minutes for more people to join in. Hi Satish. Hi Deepti Sharma. Hi guys, how are you? Yes, first, absolutely right, Deepti. Hi Hodofil. Okay. Deepti one day will definitely gonna join you. All right, hi guys, welcome to the Pop Street, and this is Jayanti. Well, today we are going live with someone really special. You know who? We're going live with someone who left her corporate job, well established corporate job, to be a part of one of the India's biggest reality show, and that is Big Boss. Seriously, guys. She left it, and she is a software engineer, and yes, now she is doing so well, and I'm sure you must have guessed it. Who is coming live with us? We are going live with Bandagi Kalra, and I'm sure she must be here. Let me just add her. Hi Bindu, thank you so much guys for joining in. Hi Shri Smith. Hi Webhav. Thanks Deepti, thank you. Well, thank you so much guys for joining in and supporting us. So I'm sure today's live is going to be very, very, very interesting. Especially not to miss our last segment because something very interesting going to happen. So stay tuned for that. And hi, all things baby India. Okay, hi, how are you? Hi, Ramya. Well, Deepti, my ID is the Pop Street, so definitely you can just check in and you can, check out what all is happening. Hi, Pallavi, how are you? Well, my personal ID, you will get all the details on my, the Pop Street handle only. I'm just waiting for. I hope she will be here. So for all those who have just joined us, let me just tell you, hi Pallavi, how are you? I hope you're doing really well. And I believe she's already here, so let me just add her. So guys, whatever questions you want to ask from Bandha and your comments on our comment section, your questions, definitely we're going to answer that for sure. Hi Satish. Hi Bandagi.
Hi. How are
How are
you?
you? I'm good. How are you? How's everything? How's life treating you
I'm good,
nowadays?
good. How are you?
All good, all good. And great to see you
Thank you.
finally.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is the net fine or is there an issue?
No, it's
Can you see
perfectly
me
fine.
clearly?
Yes, we
Perfectly
can.
fine? Okay, cool. Cool.
Yes. All right. So before going ahead, with our chat, we really want to know who is Bandagi as a person.
So, Bandgi as a person is passionate, loving,
Right.
fun, adventurous, happy, uh, career oriented, and in the moment and in the future also, like I think about the future a lot. Yeah, so
Oh, okay.
that's
So
why I love dogs.
I'm sure I can see that definitely. How's your
Yeah.
dog now?
He's
I hope he's
better.
fine.
He's better. Yeah,
Well,
yeah.
and you're saying that you're a futuristic person, right? You think a lot about your future. So when it
Yeah.
comes to your corporate life, you were doing so well. You were a software engineer, I believe. You were doing so well in your corporate life.
Yeah.
Why did you leave, and when you have taken a big step of your life, I believe.
Yeah, yeah.
How? And how did you
So
manage?
yeah, so it was not like that I just suddenly woke up from a dream and I thought, I should go into this industry and leave my IT job and a secure job in life. I always knew that I will end up in this industry. But there were certain restrictions in my family, and there were certain, because I come from a academic family where everybody is engineer or doctor or
Wow.
something like that, but
Right.
in the studious field, not in the film industry. So I always knew, like, I have to take the long route and I have to be smart and, find something for myself which also gives me a backup plan. If something doesn't works out in the film industry, I also am educated enough to, go back to work and sustain in life, because film industry is not certain. like
Absolutely right.
when corona happened, the people who were crying were the film industry, because
Oh, yeah.
other people were still working from home. We can't even work from home.
Right, right.
So
That's right.
it was a thought process which started when I was 15, 16, when I knew, that I want to be in this industry, but I also knew that I have to, like, make myself educated enough to reach there by myself, because there was no support from my family.
Right,
And I also wanted to be an engineer myself. So nobody asked me, nobody pressurized me, not even my family, even my parents. I don't know
right.
why, but I wanted to be an engineer. So I did that, and luckily I kept telling my seniors, that I want to be placed in a company in Mumbai, so that
All
I
right.
can work in Mumbai and I can, start finding my other passion, which is my real passion.
Right, right, right. So, like, when you started your
Yeah,
career with one of
so
the
my love
biggest
stayed up in
reality show
Mumbai,
of India, that is Big
and
Boss.
after that,
Yes, absolutely right. Absolutely right. So it was a risk taking, I believe. Yeah. It was a risk taking when you were like, aware that, there are already so many famous personality were already a part of that, and you took a step
yes, it
and you went
was.
into this reality show. Pandagi, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Guys, whatever questions you have, please write it down on our comment section. I'm definitely gonna answer that. Pandagi, can you hear
So,
me?
I
Yeah, yeah,
yeah, there was
sure.
a net issue once.
Definitely. Yes, yes, it's much better. Much better. Hello, Ankur. Hi. Hi, Dharak. Jaipur. Hi, Isha. Guys, whatever you want to ask from Bandagi, just write it down on our comment section and we're definitely going to answer that for sure for you. It's a time. So, yes, हम हिंदी में भी बात करेंगे. Don't worry. Hi, Rahul. Hi, Aman. Well, she will join us in a moment very soon. I guess there's some network issues. Hi, Iqbal. Hi, Rahul. So, guys, whoever have joined recently, let me just tell you, like, we at the Pop Street, we are here. This platform is only for those people who have very interesting stories to share with us. And definitely, every Tuesday and every Saturday, we are coming live with some or the other eminent and beautiful souls for sure. So stay tuned, and whatever details and who will be coming next will you will get to know from our handle. So just follow the Pop Street and you will get all the details from there. Hi Radha, thank you so much. I'm good. How are you? Hi Isha Ansari. How are you? Thank you so much. Yeah, she is here, Bandagi. Let me just add her again. So, guys, if you have any interesting stories, do let us know.
Hi,
Hi.
I'm back.
Yes.
There was a
I
network
hope.
issue, I think. I couldn't hear you properly.
Okay. All right. Now it's fine. Now, can you hear me
Yeah, it's
properly?
better. Better. Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. So, Bandagi, I was just asking you that, that time when you joined Big Boss, they were already so famous personality, renowned personality were
Yeah.
already there. You took a
Yeah.
big decision that
Yeah.
you being part of a commoner or you being a part of that particular season. So, how did you manage to do that? And plus that, you gained a lot of popularity. How did you manage?
Thank you so much. So, I'll tell you a fun fact. I never watched Big Boss in my entire life. Like, I always knew Big Boss because of Salman sir, because
Okay.
I was I was a big fan, like we all are, and I used to watch Weekend Ka Bar when my family used to watch Big Boss. But I was never a fan of Big Boss because I can't do so much fights. And when I was offered the show, I was like literally laughing. Okay, what am I gonna do inside? Because I don't know how to, act in front of cameras or how to
Right.
behave in front of cameras, and I have no habit of in front of cameras to stay in front of cameras. So I knew nothing. But then
Right.
it was India's biggest reality show, and I wanted to do it because of Salman Khan, because of Salman Khan only. So I didn't think about anybody who's coming in the show. I had no idea who was coming in the show. Yeah, and
I'm
when I
sure.
went inside, I got a reality check. I got to know about the show and the people, how difficult it is mentally, physically,
Right.
and everything. But then it was
I'm sure. I'm sure. कभी ऐसा सोचा था that okay, you have right, right. Pandaki, can you hear us? Can you hear me again? I guess there's some network issues.
is there a network issue from your end? Because my network is working fine otherwise.
Is it because I can see, I can see all the comments coming, everything.
Yeah,
Is it fine now?
even me. Yeah, it's fine. It's strange.
All right.
Yeah, yeah.
Super strange. Okay. All right. So, yeah, कभी सोचा था before going Big Boss कि मुझे भी fight करना होगा या फिर I also have to be like, because in that you have to fight, you have to show your,
You have to be
the
in
other
front of
side.
camera. You have to be seen. The most important thing. You have to
Right.
be seen, and you have to be remembered by people, by audience. Like this, I got to know
Right.
afterwards when I came out of the show and saw the show and saw other seasons as well when
Right.
I was free. But you know what? I
Right.
was the I am. I was a commoner like we all are in real life, and I was the exact person I am today, the exact person I was before going in the show. So I used to react how I would react in real life, and I
Okay.
used to behave how I would behave in real life. Even though we were stupid enough to plan some things, knowing that we are on camera. So we used to be publicly planning things. Ki, okay, we'll do this, we'll do that, but that was never executed because that's a
That,
reality show,
that's
and
right.
we need to be in the moment always.
Right. Right. Right.
So
Okay.
whatever happened, it happened itself.
Wow.
Like it
Naturally.
just happened itself. Yeah. So I think whatever personality, little bit of personality, not, I would not say that people know me really, people know me 100% because that's an edited show, like on a higher note. So if I am 100, then you would only know me 10% from the show.
Right. Right.
Only
Absolutely.
that much. Only that much, how much they want you to see, how much they want you to see the part and the story of the show which is going on.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yeah.
So, what transformation you have seen after Big Boss in you?
In me, so I am pretty much the same only. I think patience, maybe more patience. I am a patient person. If I
Right.
want something in life, I can be patient enough like a saint. And
Right.
people sometimes even laugh on me, like, how can you be so patient about something? But I
Okay.
think that's for me, it's my passion because I'm so, I believe so much on myself and my vision that, okay, it might take 6 months instead of 3, but I am sure that I will achieve it. So that patience has increased, and like we don't really now judge people on that level if we are watching the show, but then these many things only, and some changes are, you can't even identify them. They
Thank
happen all the time.
you.
Yeah.
Right. Hey, there is one person from the audience saying that today is my brother's birthday. Please wish him, Lokesh. Please wish
Lokesh,
him.
hi Lokesh, wish your brother a very happy birthday.
Thank you.
God
Thank you.
bless you. Yeah.
All right. So, Bandagi, one more thing. Like, after I know, like, you are into this industry where you need to be constantly being seen in public, like,
Yeah.
be TV, be it movies, or be it web. Why we can't see you over there nowadays? Or maybe, like,
Okay. Yeah.
not, we haven't seen you, like,
Yeah.
on web.
Haven't seen me. Yeah. So you know what happens whenever somebody does Big Boss, like somebody like me who's not done anything in the industry, or
Right.
maybe somebody who is well-known face in the industry and is going in Big Boss and now coming after the Big Boss, people suddenly expect so much out of you. People
Exactly.
suddenly want you to see you on TV if you were from TV. If you were not
Right.
from TV, people will want you to see in films, or now we also have web series. But people don't really think that we might also have some plans already in place, like, on which we were working on. So Big Boss was never my plan, it just
Right.
happened in my life. So
Right.
otherwise also I would have been on the same path, on the same journey. Now
Hmm.
things which have to happen will happen on their time. I
That's right.
always believe on that quote. So
Right.
I am not a person who will cry and crib and say, okay, it's not happening, it's not happening. If it's in my life, it's in my journey, it will happen for sure. But
Right.
there are certain things which I want on certain level. If I want to, now I don't want to brag about it or talk about it until I also have it on my stamp, or I also have the script, you also see the posters. So I don't really like to create that, hype around it. Ki, okay, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. So I don't really like that. I
Right.
I don't believe in that. I think if something is out there, you'll see it, you'll know
Definitely.
about it. Yeah, so
Any
there are some certain projects, there are some certain things which I don't really want to do in life, which I'm really
right,
not interested in. So there, the content which is happening on web platforms, the
right, right.
intimacy, the bold scenes, so I really don't see myself doing that. I would rather do something else than doing that on the show, because that's a fiction thing. And in
Right.
fiction, how you want to portray yourself, it's up to you. And I don't want
Exactly.
to portray myself, because I don't think I'll be doing acting till I'll be 60 or 70 or 80. So
Right.
if I go in future and see myself on TV doing all that stuff, I don't think I'll be comfortable.
Okay.
So that's the main reason I am not saying yes to web, but I am working in Telugu industry,
Oh wow.
and yeah, so I did one film in Telugu. It's called Prema Pipasi, which
Okay.
which got released last year, and it gained really good viewership, but Corona happened. So now we are working on another script.
Right. So, what are your future plans now?
So I'm working on one Telugu film, which hopefully will be launched on Netflix. So we are not really talking about it right now. So we are working on the workshops, on the language. So because it's completely different, like I can't fake it, and we have to like talk in Telugu only. We
Right.
can't really talk in Hindi, and they'll dub it. So they are recording it in Telugu. They're shooting in Telugu. So I have to like really know the language. And
Right.
then there are some projects here which are still in the pipeline. So as I said, I will talk about it when they're out.
I got it. All right. So, like, it's very difficult when you're being a part of this particular project. You have to adapt the entire things, be
Right.
it language, be it the character, everything. How difficult it is for an actor, for a newcomer, or for a starter, like, to adapt such situation. Is it easy?
It depends on person to person, actually. I tell you, when I went to Hyderabad for my first Telugu project, we were shooting the song first and
Right.
rest of the things afterwards. I just went there. The manager I had was also from Hyderabad, so I never
Okay.
met him. Like we were talking on phone and all that happened. So I directly went there, and we shot the song in one night. and next day I flew back to Mumbai also. So
Right.
so it really depends like how much you can adapt to a different culture, different people in life, and how open you are or how confident you are in yourself, because it's not easy. Like
Right.
when I also look back at myself, I laugh sometimes ki, okay, like I was like a strong lady, I went there, I shot the song, I came back, मतलब कुछ डर ही नहीं लगा. You know,
Right.
you have to be little scared also, but then if you are confident enough and if you are positive, if you don't think negative, I don't think any negative will happen.
That's
Just be
true. That's,
cautious. Yeah.
so it's an age of digital world, right?
Right.
Everything is like, social media, everything.
Yeah.
Everyone is sitting social media right now. So if you could have started your career now, what would you have done it differently?
I always talk about this thing. Because I have a younger brother and he's in
Right.
college. So I always tell him to, be active on social media, be active on YouTube, be active here, there, and everywhere, wherever you can. And
Right.
he's like, okay, I'll do it. So I'm like, कि अगर मेरे time पे ये होता, when I was in college, when I was
Right.
studying engineering, but I wanted to be an actor or a model, तो मेरे लिए बहुत easy होता. Like I would have done something for the people who are doing right now, the people who took over TikTok, who took over Reels, who are doing really well on Instagram as well as in real life. Now
Right.
Instagram or digital is not just digital. People in the
Exactly.
acting field are also taking them in their projects, whether it's music
Yeah.
videos. Yeah, because of their popularity. And there are some great actors who are not popular on social media, so they are not considered great as well. So there is a drawback, but there's a positive point as well. So
Right.
I would say if you are getting so much opportunities just through a phone, do it.
Do it.
Just do it. Yeah,
Right.
just do something. Because why I always say lockdown was a best part for everybody.
Right.
Lockdown happened, so many bad things happened, I know, but then why should we count on the bad things? They always
Exactly.
happen. Yeah,
Right.
but best part about lockdown was so many people discovered themselves, so
That's right.
many people discovered their passions, so
Right.
many people got their confidence back in life, so many people started doing things which I never thought they will do.
So
Like
what you
I
have
was,
discovered, or
what I have done. I think I was never an open person. Like I used to, if even if I'm feeling bad about something, I will take it to myself and maybe weep about it. Or but in alone, I think I have opened myself up. And if I'm today feeling bad about something, I'll talk to you. I'll tell you directly. So I was
right.
not that kind of person. But I think
Right.
lockdown changed that thing in me. And also there are so many things. I think I'm a changed person after the lockdown. I've got to know about so many things in life, and
Right.
it's just not financial or the uh, career part of it, but as a person. Because
Right.
90% people will say, okay, financially we got to know, okay, we should save, or maybe career wise we got to know we should do something else also to
Right.
be secure in life. But otherwise, also, I think it really changed me as a person.
So that's great. So Bandagi, you always being a well planned person. You always used to plan
Yeah,
your
I like to.
right. So what advice you want to give it to all those people who want to start their career in this genre? Like, you want to have a backup plan because you can't go randomly. You can't take
Yeah,
a big
yeah.
risk. So what suggestions you want to give it? Your
So
experience, from your
yeah, so, when I was 17, 18, and when I didn't even started my college, that time also I used to get so many offers from the industry, but only through Facebook. We that time we only had Facebook. So
right.
Facebook pe coordinators would use to contact and tell, okay, there's this show, there is this show. Would you like to do it? But my family was never okay with the fact that okay, I can just leave studies, pack my bag, and go to Bombay. And I was also not okay with that fact because I don't think I was that confident. Or even if I was confident, I always knew back of the mind ki this thing can also happen. Maybe I won't get work. Maybe what if I don't get work for 6 months? What will I do?
Yeah.
For 1 year, then 2 years, then my life and my age of college is also going, and I won't even get to study. The time
Right.
will not come back. That is the major fear which I have in life till date. The
Okay.
time which is going will never come back.
Right,
So
right,
this is the only fear I sleep with daily. If you are turning 26, if you are turning 25, you won't go
right.
back to that age. So that is the
Absolutely.
only fear I have in my life. And
Right.
I think if you want to follow your passion, if you have any passion, please do follow it. But if your parents stop you from following that, or if you also have, you know, a little bit of doubt on it, then please keep a backup with you.
Oh,
You
that's
should
great.
all Yeah, you should always keep a backup with you. If you know your passion is risky, if you
Oh,
like, writing passion is also risky. Like, I have
right,
heard a lot about it.
right.
You never know when your book will be famous, you never know when your script will be famous. Till
Exactly.
then you have to like keep working. So I think you should, because being financially independent is very very important in life, whether it's a girl or a boy. So you
Right.
should always have something or the other going on which can keep your money thing going, and then you can work on your passion. Because
That's
अगर
great.
कुछ भी नहीं होगा, you can't even work on your passion.
Exactly. So the very interesting question from Pallavi is reality TV a good start for a budding actor? Hmm.
uh that really depends, you know, because Big Boss is a different reality show,
Right.
and a very controversial one, very controversial. So if somebody wants to start their career, they can. It's the
Yeah.
biggest hit they will get in their life, I
Right.
think. And there are other reality shows like Spitzvilla and Roadies, and these people are doing also very good.
Right.
But
You
end of the day, it really depends on you how you will take your journey after the show.
right,
After the
right,
show, how you take yourself. Some people do really well in the show, and some people are not have done that much in the show, but they do really well after the show also. So it really
right.
depends on you also. And if I just think that way, that if I was well settled in life and, you know, well working in life, I don't think I'll do Big Boss that time.
Okay.
Because,
All
you
right.
know, yeah, because if you worked for 10 years and 8 years and 12 years, and you've made yourself an image, a good
Right.
positive character, whether people believe your character or you as a person, but you have a positive image,
Right.
when you
Absolutely.
enter this show, it will give you a question mark. So that's a
I-
drawback. Yeah. So it will give you a question mark on that person ki, okay, I used to like love her or like him. Is it like that only? ऐसा ही था या वैसा ही था? So that's the drawback which comes with the show.
Okay. All right. All right. Okay. I guess that's pretty interesting. One last one I want to ask you that is like, we all have learned some or the other lessons in our life. So what lesson you have learned in your life and you want to discuss it here with you, with us?
Um, what lesson have I learned? I
Learned.
think I'm too young to to have learned a lesson, but I don't think I regret anything in my life till date, other than the small stupid things which we all do time to time. Otherwise life would be perfect, and life is not perfect.
I'm
So
sure.
abhi tak to there is nothing as such which I can think on spot ki, you know, okay, this is the lesson which I have learned. No, I like myself the way I am, and I
Okay.
think I made myself the way I am. I don't know why. Like, my parents are not like that. They've never forced me for anything. They've never forced me for studies. They've never forced me for doing anything good in the industry. I am the only ambitious person who has so many ambitions that I trouble myself with that. But I like it.
Oh, that's great. That's great. That's great. Well, very interesting. Well, let's go to our last segment. That is like, popping words. So whatever, are you ready? Like, it's going to be very rapid and
Okay.
whatever pops to your mind when you hear this word. So you have to be very quick.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All
Okay.
right. Okay. So first is Big Boss.
Bandgi.
Okay. Social media,
Bandgi.
lifestyle,
Kim Kardashian,
all right. Friends,
Friends, Punish, Tim Tim,
okay. Passion,
Passion, my passion. Like I want to be an actress.
Yeah.
Like the big one.
Oh,
Like the
okay.
one you
All
remember
right.
always.
Okay. All right. Popular. Popularity. Popularity, if I say.
Kylie Jenner.
Okay. Fame.
Fame. Kardashians.
Family.
Kardashians.
Oh God. Okay. Music.
Justin.
Okay. Lockdown.
Lockdown. Uh, Personal time. Introspection.
All right. Okay. If I say Tim Tim.
Love.
All right. Okay.
Thank God I had Tim Tim in lockdown.
Oh yeah, I'm sure. Like you had a great
Company.
for sure.
Yeah.
Right. And the last one, Bandagi Kalra.
Crazy and passionate about her dreams. Like really.
Great. So yes, Bandagi, thank you so much. We had a
Thank
great,
you.
and I'm sure we'll see you more often with your
Yeah.
respective roles, the roles which you are looking
Thank you.
for. Get it very
Thank
soon.
you. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Take care. We'll see you soon.
Bye. Yeah.
Bye. Thank you so much, guys, for being with us and being a part of this wonderful session with Bandagi Kalra. It was really interesting, and I'm sure you must have. If you have missed out, it's already there on our IGTV, so you can always check it out. And hi, Mehraj. Hi. Bandagi is, you can definitely, next time, whenever she'll be coming, you can, send a message early. So, guys, thank you so much. And yes, thanks, Pallavi. Thank you, Kaushik. Thanks. Pranav, thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks, Ravi. And yes, if you missed out, it's already there on our IGTV. And this Saturday, we are going live, but very special is we are going live tomorrow as well, 7 o'clock sharp. So stay tuned and please, more session. Thank you. Yes, definitely. We are going ahead with more sessions tomorrow. Stay tuned at 7 o'clock. So if you want to have more details, who's coming next, so you have to follow our page. That is the Pop Street and get all the details. Thank you, Shivam. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Take care and stay at home, stay safe, stay healthy, and don't go out. Thank you. Thanks, Isha. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye. Thank you.